Hello, young learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things starting with the letter M. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, milk. Milk is delicious. It comes from cows. It's very good to have a glass of milk. You might have it with some cereal. And it gives you big, strong, healthy bones. Number 2, the moon. Wherever you are on Earth, you can see the moon at night. The weight of the moon pulls the oceans around, which is what gives us tides. Number 3, monkeys. There's lots of different types of monkeys, and they often live in families, like these two. You can see who the parents are, and you can see the little ones. They're very cute. Number 4, music. One of the joys of life is music. Thousands of different types of music, and everybody likes something different. Lovely. Number 5, a magnet. A magnet has 2 particular sides, a north and a south. And one is attracted to the other. So you can use a magnet, one side of a magnet, to pick up the other side of the magnet. Lots of fun you can have with magnets. This boy's having a great time. Number 6, a muffin. A muffin is a bit like a cupcake with a large top. You make the mix, put it in the oven, and wham bam. Delicious. Look at those little muffins. You can also use lots of different ingredients. Number 7, a map. Maps have been used for hundreds of years. They give you an idea of where you are. Nowadays you're more likely to use a map like this. A sat nav, maybe on your phone, maybe in a car, shows you how to get from A to B. Number 8, magic. Magic is doing a trick. This one makes a coin disappear. 1, 2, 3, disappeared. Oh, must be magic. Number 9, a mouse. A mouse is a very small, furry creature. A bit like a shrew, smaller than a rat. Some people really don't like mice. They can be a bit scary. And finally, number 10, marbles. Marbles are round glass spheres that come in lots of different sizes, shapes and colours. They're great fun to play with, and they look like mini planets. Thanks for watching a list of 10 exciting things starting with the letter M. See you again.